Hi everyone, are you seeing the dreaded briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance check back in a minute error on your WordPress site? I know how frustrating it can be when you can't access your site. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix this error quickly and get your site back. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, let me explain why this error happens. This issue occurs when WordPress gets stuck during an update, whether it's a plugin, theme, or core update. Don't be panic, wait for the 5 to 10 minutes, then refresh your site will be back automatically. If not, there might be a temporary maintenance file is created. Sometimes it does not get removed automatically. To solve this issue, go to your hosting panel. Here I am using Hostinger. Now click on website, find your website dashboard and click on it. After that, click on file manager. Here you will find your root directory like public HTML. Click on it. Here you will see .maintenance file under the htaccess.bk file. Unfortunately, I can't show you right now. My file here is not showing because my maintenance file has been deleted, but yours will show there. When you find, you need to tap on the right click of mouse, then click delete. Confirm the deletion. After that, go to your site and refresh it. And that's it. Your WordPress site should be back to normal now. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more problem-solving tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.